How's it going, you little pathetic little humans? It is me, the Discord Doctor. I was sitting here watching Yummy Mash and Markiplier play a scary map, and I had this good idea. I'm going to eat one of these. If you don't know what these are, they are these. It's kind of backwards, but it says toxic waste. They're supposed to be sour candies, and I have a watermelon, which in my favour is the more sourest out of all of them. And you're going to see me eat one. They are more sour than warheads. I ate a warhead and I ate one of these. Oh my god. And this is the case. This is what's inside. Candy. Yum. Ugh. Can't believe I'm doing this. Whatever, who cares? I joined my party. I know I have this big zit right there. I'm trying to pop it.
Good night, Seth.
Okay.
Okay. If you come,
Okay.
Be sure to plug the tablet in, or you won't be able to play it tomorrow. It'll be dead.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Yes. I will be doing this. It's going to be horrible. Tell me what you guys think. Stop doing this. I don't care that your friend has joined a party. Does it look like I care? No, I'm not freaking Discord Doctor. I don't care. Fuck. Okay. I know I'm looking like this a lot. It says I'm looking at the screen on my camera, and my camera quarter is right there. So whenever I look at myself, it's going to be like this. I'm sorry if I ever do that. It's hard to look into that, because I want to make sure I look completely perfect. So do not be like, why is he looking over there? It's because I'm looking at my screen. Okay? Okay. Let's eat one of these. Yes, I do have a PS4. As you all can tell, you watched my Destiny video. Okay. There we go. Let's open this thing up. Oh. Doesn't look too bad. Okay. I'm not going to be faking this at all. I'm actually going to eat this. It doesn't look bad, but it's bad. Ooh, sour. Oh, I got little piggy feet. See if you can't see that. Little piggy feet. There's a massage chair. We'll take this massage. Ow! I just sat on the container of the candies. I know I'm distracting. Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, Doctor. Not too bad. Well, I'll do this myself. Oh, it's sour. I know I'm a big wimp. I don't care. And my favourite part, the sweet stage. That's sweet stage. That's all I have today, guys. And I hope you have a horrible day. Because I am the Doctor. Goodbye. Going to TARDIS.